Best deals.
1. Container. Made from premium quality stainless steel which gives an elegant look in your kitchen. Filter the particles to make bacon grease, cooking oil, coconut oil, fat, and frying oil reusable and provide convenient storage. Ideally used for ghee, oil, curd, milk, sugar, liquid and spices. The set is complete with spoons to scoop out the contents in each jar. Shining steelware is a glamorous kitchen addition. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kadhai. Its triple layer construction, from base to rim, leaves no chance of food burning and food sticking to the cookware surface. Cooking healthy food in the stripe-like kadhai is thus easier, hassle-free and without any chemicals. Its even heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. Even with less oil you are sure to get excellent cooking results. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cold press juicer. With a 1.5 L wide mouth hopper, you can juice more fruits and vegetables at once without needing continuous refilling. The 1L juicer jug and pulp collector make it easy to prepare large batches of juice. Capable of 90 minutes of non-stop operation, this juicer is built with an auto-thermal cutoff for motor safety and an inbuilt assembled safety lock for extra secure usage. The 250W low noise motor operates smoothly and quietly, making your juicing experience more pleasant without compromising on power. Elevate your wellness routine with the cold press juicer, designed to deliver maximum juice with minimal noise. Engineered for performance, the slow masticating juicer extracts every drop of nutrition while preserving the natural flavor, vitamins, and enzymes in your fruits and vegetables. With the reverse function, you can easily clear blockages and keep juicing without interruptions. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tawa. The tawa features heat-resistant sturdy two-side handles, providing a secure grip and allowing for easy handling while cooking. The triple-coating non-stick surface ensures smooth and effortless cooking, preventing food from sticking and making it easier to clean after use. The non-stick surface requires less oil or butter, promoting healthier cooking. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tadka pan. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Crafted from high-quality iron, this frying pan is built to last, resisting warping and corrosion for long-term use in your kitchen. Experience authentic tadka flavors with the traditional style tadka pan. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric kettle. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes. Boil water or milk for baby food or senior citizen, prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. The spacious 1.2 L capacity is perfect for cooking meals for one or for the entire family. Save time and energy with the ability to prepare larger quantities in a single batch. Equipped with a robust 600W motor, this kettle ensures quick and efficient cooking. Experience faster boiling and cooking times for your meals. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Chopper. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. The vegetable chopper is operated manually and is very easy to use thanks to the pulling mechanism. Rotatable blades are placed at different points on the peeler, making it possible to cut fruit and vegetables more precisely. The manual food crusher can help you more quickly and no more tears when you chop onions, garlic, and chili. Just place the foods in the container, twist and lock the cover, and pull the string to turn the cleaver. After each use, the blades, bowl, and storage lid can be easily taken apart and safely cleaned. Mini manual food chopper has advantages of simple structure, economy, practicability, compact volume, and convenience. Perfect for home kitchen, travel, and camping, its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Fry pan. Arrives with a foundational seasoning of 100% vegetable oil. It can leach some iron into your food, and that's pretty good for health. This cast iron frying pan has a smooth finish and a flat base to help provide even heat distribution for improved cooking and frying, even on grills, stoves or induction cooktops. Durability and workhorse versatility. Cast iron combines a rich heritage with modern cooking needs. Cast from solid, pure, premium steel and iron, this healthy non-stick frying pan is the master of heat distribution. Unibody, one-piece design free of any screws or weld joints. This pre-seasoned cast iron frying pan is designed for perfect omelets, tadka, sautéing, and everyday cooking. Made without enamel or chemical coatings, it offers a naturally non-toxic and healthy cooking surface. This heavy-duty cast iron pan ensures excellent heat retention and even cooking. The glass lid maintains moisture while letting you check cooking progress. The anti-slip plastic handle holder ensures safe, burn-free handling, making it ideal for everyday meals. This cast iron cookware is seasoned naturally with 100% vegetable oil, offering a safe and chemical-free cooking surface. The natural seasoning leaches small amounts of iron into your food. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron skillet is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like paneer tikka, chicken curry, pasta, stir-fried veggies and many more. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Basket. The multipurpose dish drainer basket utensil stand, dish drying rack, and bartan stand, ideal for holding kitchen vessels securely, while the countertop organizer rack provides ample space to neatly store. The perfect kitchen companion simplifies organization and storage, keeping your countertop tidy and your tasks efficient. It's an essential addition to any modern kitchen. This 2-layer rack comes with the dish rack, providing additional space to hold cooking spatulas, spoons, forks, knives, glasses, and other crockery items. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Idli Maker. Designed for efficiency, our molds help you make perfect idlis with less batter waste, saving time and ingredients. No greasing needed. The superior non-stick silicone ensures easy idli release and quick cleanup. Consistently perfect idlis. Enjoy evenly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis every time. Easy and effortless cooking. Line your traditional idli plates with silicone idli mold for easy and an effortless cooking experience. Our flexible design makes steaming and serving a breeze. Premium food-grade silicone, crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, and non-toxic silicone for safe and durable use. Temperature-resistant, heat-resistant from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for steaming, baking, microwaving, and even freezing. More than just idlis. Use it for dokla, cupcakes, steamed dumplings, and more. Easily steam cook perfectly shaped idlis that are quick to serve, in molds that are easy to clean. Place the silicone idli mold on the idli plate. Pour the batter onto the silicone idli mold. Steam cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes before removing idlis. Push the silicone idli mold from the back to remove the idlis. Perfect shaped idlis are ready to eat. Made of high quality, food-grade silicone and can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 C up to 230 C. Oven, microwave, freezer safe. Mold can be either hand-washed with mild soap and water or put in the top rack of a dishwasher. Do not use sharp knives or implements while removing idlis or other steam-cooked food from the idli mold as it may cause damage to the mold. Hold the idli mold from the flap and push the bottom to remove the idli. When not in use, store the molds in a closed box or container. Perfect for busy lifestyles, it also works as a steamer for baby food cooking, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality food-safe materials, this idli maker isn't dishwasher safe. Use it as a steamer for vegetables, dokla maker with steamer, or even as a momo maker steamer, and enjoy stress-free cooking and easy cleanup every time. Product link is given in the 10th link.